Here we will do some factoring by pulling out a -1. This is just a trick to learn for the future. It does also help us later on when we solve quadratic equations so that we have a positive leading coefficient instead of a -1. So in part A here, if we were to pull out a -1, basically all that means is all the signs change. So instead of -x squared, we have positive x squared. Instead of positive 7x, we have minus 7x. And instead of -6, we have positive 6. So if we were to distribute through that -1, we'd get back the original. In part B, same thing. If we pulled out a -1, the 4 becomes -4, and the -x becomes plus x. Now, another way you might see part B written is instead of -4 plus x, you might see x minus 4. So in other words, when you have a binomial, and binomial means two terms, when you have a binomial and you pull out a -1, you just switch the order of the subtraction.